G'day, let's dive into the Jobs module. Think of this as the cornerstone for managing your resources. For an event to appear on the job scheduler, it must first be created as a job. Now, even though the title is job, you assign in here anything that you want shown on the scheduler, whether it's test and tag for equipment, a maintenance day for vehicles, a medical or inductions for staff, an actual work site or employment shift. It goes in here as a job. Now you'll see on this main page we have our standard search function. You can also filter by the status of a job. You can change the columns with these little arrows at the top here. You can add, just fill in the necessary items. And then these icons, like always, edit, delete, or view. And the company and worksite associated to the job and any other vital information is shown here on the main page for you. And that's it. That's the jobs page. Now you know how to create, find, and manage all your jobs in one central spot. Getting this right is the first step to mastering your resource scheduling.